Just imagine if you could create leads in CRM from incoming mails from your inbox.
First of all, go to Settings and activate the developer mode. Then click Incoming Mail Server under the Technical drop-down. Let's configure the incoming mail server. Now put your mail credentials. I'm using a webmail-based account. If you are using Outlook or Gmail account, you can configure that as well. It's time to test the credentials. And it worked. Select the model. I'm picking CRM lead. You can choose HR applicant or any other model you want. Let's test it now. I'm sending a mail. We'll see if it gets captured. Normally it takes 5-7 minutes to read incoming mails. If you don't wanna wait, you can run the fetch mail service manually. And there it is. Let's see how it looks. See, the whole body is logged here and you can do the callback. Subscribe our channel if you find this helpful. See you in the next video.